Have you ever noticed Bitcoin doing the same thing 2 or 3 times and thought, that must be the new pattern? Be careful. A pattern can look convincing long before it becomes reliable. Hey everybody, Joel with the Crypto Code here. We help everyday people understand crypto through practical education, research, and proper risk management. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Crypto traders are constantly searching for patterns. Maybe Bitcoin dropped on the same day of the month several times. Maybe an indicator worked perfectly on the last 3 trades. Or maybe a coin pumped after the same type of announcement more than once. After seeing that happen a few times, it's easy to believe you've discovered something important. But repetition alone doesn't prove that a pattern is useful. Sometimes events repeat because there's a real market relationship behind them. Other times, they repeat by chance. The challenge is knowing the difference. Let's say Bitcoin declines during the first week of the month, 3 months in a row. That might be interesting, but it's not enough to prove that Bitcoin will decline during the first week of the 4th month. You would need to examine a much larger set of data. How often has the pattern appeared? How often has it failed? Did it work during both bullish and bearish conditions? Was the result significant enough to matter after fees and slippage? And is there a logical reason the pattern might continue? Those questions are important because the human brain is extremely good at finding connections, even when those connections are weak or completely random. We remember the times a pattern worked. We often forget the times it failed. That can make an unreliable idea look much stronger than it really is. This doesn't mean you should ignore patterns. Patterns are an important part of technical analysis, but they should be tested rather than trusted immediately. Write the rule down clearly. Look at more than a few examples. Track both the wins and the losses. Then determine whether the results are consistent enough to deserve a place in your strategy. And even after a pattern has been tested, it should never be treated like a guarantee. Market conditions change. A setup that worked well in one environment may perform differently in another. The goal is not to find a pattern that never fails. The goal is to understand whether it provides a measurable advantage over many decisions. Interesting is not the same as reliable, and reliable is not the same as guaranteed. If you want to learn how we evaluate market setups, build structured trade plans, and manage risk when a setup fails, subscribe to the channel and check out our free workshop in the description below. You can also learn how to get access to our free weekly trade plan there. Let us know in the comments, have you ever trusted a market pattern that stopped working?